Hello episodes, this is Kawasaki KB100 RTC rebuilt, and these are all the segments which are classified for this restoration project. In that we are in part 5 removing the accessories. Now we are in part 5 of it, removing the silencer, kicker lever, gear lever and the brake assembly. Let's begin with the exhaust system first. For this, the previous owner has tightened with 8mm at one end and 10mm bolt at the other end. In my point of view, the 10mm bolt would be the original, and the bikes like Yamaha, Suzuki, it comes with serration bolt, that is a bolt which is protruding outside. It will be tightened with a nut. In this case, if we use a longer bolt, it won't tighten and compress the flange of the exhaust system. So try to use the original one or by the same length. And this is also like the Yamaha RX100 with a two split exhaust system, the front end and then the rear end. And for the rear, we have to remove the footrest first. The top is already removed, that was missing actually. You have to use a 14mm spanner, and at the swing arm area you have to remove with the 14mm spanner. At the other end, if it is rotating, use 17mm spanner. And after that there is a spacer, and now we can slide and remove the front end of the silencer. And for the rear end, the bolt assembly was little protruding, so we have to push it at the other end, put the nut back and hit with a hammer, so that it won't damage the thread of the bolt. Or you can easily use a wooden piece to remove it, and we can slide and remove now. And then moving to the kicker assembly, here use a 12mm spanner, and for this we have to completely remove the bolt, then only we can slide, because a groove is given at the kicker shaft, so we can't remove it in such a way. And if it is not coming, use a screwdriver and enlarge the space. And even if it is not coming, then lower the kicker lever assembly and hit with the hammer at the other end. It will easily come. And there are two steps here, step 1 and step 2, and between the grooves. And then moving on to the brake assembly, use a 14mm spanner. And not only for this bike, mostly Yamaha, Suzuki and all 4-stroke engines also comes with 14mm mostly. And after this, put back the nut in its position so that you won't miss the spring and washer of the brake lever assembly. And moving to the front side, here it is a split pin and a washer, and rebend the split pin to its original position and remove the washer. And then disconnect the brake switch. Spring is connected to this one. When you apply the brake, it will glow at the rear, the tail light assembly. And after that, it has a spring. This is a retainer spring. When you apply the brake, it brings back the lever to its original position. And at this one is a gear lever. For this, you have to loosen the 10mm nut and bolt. And this is also, we have to completely remove the bolt nut assembly, then you have to slide, or else it won't come. The video ends here, and see you in next video. Bye.